Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing very well and welcome back to the Digital Mom. I know what you are thinking right now. Most of you are thinking, where have you been? For the first month, I haven't been uploading any single video. Not because I didn't care about this channel or not because I have given up, but because of the reason that I'm going to share with you. But before we go to that, I would like to apologize to anyone who have been looking for my videos and didn't find them. I know that I disappointed you, and I'm sorry, and I promise that it's not going to be that same pace, okay? And if you are new here on this channel, I would like you to subscribe to the channel because here we talk about some practical things that is going to help one or two just make money online, okay? Now, life has happened. And if you are a mother or someone building a career, especially in tech industry, someone trying to create a better future while managing responsibilities, I know that then you are understanding exactly what I mean when I say that life has happened. But today, I'm not just coming back to YouTube, but I'm coming back with a lesson that I have learned many of us need to hear, many of us may relate with, okay? Because sometimes the biggest challenge is not starting. The biggest challenge is starting again. So if you have ever stopped working on your goals, if you have ever lost your momentum, if you have ever felt guilty because you abandoned something important, this video is for you. I'm just here to talk right to you, okay? And I hope that you're going to pick something that could be of importance in the future for yourself, okay? First, thank you everyone who stayed subscribed. I know that it might happen that most of you have dropped this channel, but if you're still here, thank you, and thank you very much for staying. Then, thank you for everyone who have watched my videos before the break. I appreciate you more than you could know. I appreciate you more than you could understand. Over the first month, life became busy. Sincerely speaking, life has become busy over the first month. As a mother, as a wife, as a tech lady, as someone trying to build something meaningful online, there were many things demanding my attention. And sometimes when life gets overwhelming, the first thing people stop doing is working on their dreams. Maybe you have experienced that too. Maybe you have started learning a skill. Maybe you have started applying for jobs. Maybe you started a business. Or maybe you have even started your YouTube channel, then life happened. Days turned into weeks, weeks turns into months, even months can even turn into year. And suddenly you are working, you are asking yourself, can I even start again? Absolutely yes. The answer to your question is an absolute yes. You can still start. You can restart and keep on working on your dreams, because progress is not about never stopping, but is about refusing to quit. So let's refuse together to quit, okay? There is a huge difference between quitting and starting again. So the lesson I have learned during my break, during my 1 month not on the channel, is during this break, I have realized something. I have realized that many people are waiting for the perfect time. I have realized that the perfect schedule is like being waited by so many people. I have seen that many people are waiting for the perfect equipment, the cameras, the sound. I have seen that many people are waiting for the perfect circumstances, but the perfect time, it never comes. It always goes out of us. It never comes. Life will always be busy. There will always be responsibilities. There will always be challenges, because this is the dynamic of living. Challenges are part of these dynamics. And if we wait for everything to be perfect before we move, we may wait forever. We may even never get to move from a single point to another. The people who succeed are not the people with perfect lives. They are the people who keep going despite imperfect circumstances come in. And that is the lesson I want to share with you today. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Even small steps matters in this journey of online industry. Reading one page per day is enough. It matters. Sending one application it matters. Posting one video, it also matters. Learning one new skill matters. Small actions repeated consistently, it creates a very big and unimaginable result, if I could say. There are 3 reasons that I have seen that people never start making money online. Let's talk about something practical. Let's be honest with the practice of this online income industry. Many people want to earn money online. Many people want to work from home. Many people want financial freedom, but most of them never get started. Do you know why? It is because the number one reason, they are waiting for perfect conditions. People say, I will start when I have a better laptop. People say, I will start when I have more time. I will start when the kids are older for mothers. I will start next year. I will start when I have a better camera. I will start when I have good sound. But successful people start with what they have. They don't wait for perfect conditions. They start with what exactly they have, what is in their environment at that moment. Many online businesses started with a phone. Many freelancers have started with just one basic skills. Many successful YouTubers have started with poor camera. Yes, they started with their build cameras. What matters is not what you have, but what matters is what you do with what you have. The number 2 reason that is stopping you is learning without taking action. Yes, you spend almost an hour, almost 3 hours on YouTube just scrolling for the courses, looking for new skills, but you do not take action to put those skills in action. This is a very big one. People watch videos, people read articles, people take courses, they save posts, they take notes, but never take actions. Knowledge without action changes nothing, sincerely speaking. You can have a bunch of knowledge, you can have a full head of many things that you have information about, but if you do not take an action to use those information, my dear, they're going to change nothing. You can watch 100 videos about freelancing, but until you create a profile, offer a service, or talk to a client, nothing changes. Action creates results, not information. Yes, you get me very well. It's not the information that is going to give you the results. It is the action that you're going to use those information. The reason number 3 is the fear of being judged. This is the reason many people never start. They worry, what will people say? What if I fail? What if nobody watches? What if nobody buys? Let me tell you something. People are usually too busy worrying about themselves to spend much time judging you. And even if they do, their opinions doesn't pay your bills. Yes girl, yes mom, yes beginner. Their opinions do not pay your bills. Their opinions doesn't build your future. Their opinions doesn't create opportunities for your family. So don't let the fear to stop you. Don't let the fear or the environmental judgment stop you. Just be you and do your things. Now, let me share with you some commitments that I have made after this 1 month break about this channel. Now, let's talk about what is next. This channel is not going anywhere. It will be still here. It will be still having the content from its basics. And the digital mom is right back, as you could see. I am just here. Your digital mom is right back. She is here. And moving forward, I want this channel to focus on practical content that is going to help you build online skills, find online opportunities, improve your CVs and job applications, learn freelancing, build confidence, create income streams from home, and no unrealistic promises that is going to pass on this channel. I promise you, as always, no unrealistic promises, no get rich quick schemes. If you want get rich schemes, this is not your place. You just find where those get laters are. Okay, no get rich schemes, just practical steps that ordinary people can follow, especially mothers, especially beginners, and especially people who are starting just from scratch. Okay, because that is who this channel is for. Okay, so before you leave, I want you to do something for me and for this channel and for you as well. In the comment section, put that I'm starting again if you have quitted. Maybe you are restarting your business, maybe you are restarting your job search, maybe you are restarting a dream that you gave up on. I mean, whatever it is, just write, I'm starting again. Let's encourage each other. Let's work the journey together. And if you are new here, welcome to the Digital Mom Space. Subscribe because we have a lot of practical and valuable content to come. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. And I will see you in the next video. Until next time, with love from the Digital Mom. Bye.